Hey everybody, Joe from Cold Springs RV bringing you our brand new Wildwood Grand Lodge 42Fk. This thing is awesome. Don't mind my voice, I've got a little bit of a cold. Plenty of room here. This is a 42-footer. They've really nailed the Lodge series in the last couple of years. The outside's great, but wait till we go inside. Big awning, outside speakers. Alright, we're going to start with the front of the coach. Brand new, redesigned fixtures, brand new countertops this year, toe kick lighting, nice big oven, 3-burner range. You got your big microwave, your whirlpool. It's kind of nice as this puts everything in one room for you. So you get the dining room, kitchen, plenty of cabinets, and you get a pantry which has a light inside, and right all the way down to the floor you've got storage. I'm going to pan around to the living area. This is really nice. You get a lot of extra sleeping in this rig. You get 2 recliners here. And both of these beds are sofa beds. And if you notice, the roller black shades are very, very nice. Nice big TV. Sound bar with a fireplace. Of course, all LED lights. This thing is wild. Brand new linoleum this year. Very cool pattern. Kind of brings the whole thing together. We're pretty excited about it. Made some improvements on the bathroom as well. You get a lot of storage, porcelain toilet, very large shower, you know, large enough for even the bigger people like me. Nice big mirror with the LED light bar at top. They did put 2 drawers in here, which was really nice this year. But underneath, I mean, that's a huge space for towel storage. They've never offered. Gives you a little bit more of a residential look. And you can tell by the floor space in here, you could actually change in here and be pretty comfortable, and you wouldn't be whacking your hands on the walls and everything else. This does come with a central vacuum as well. I'm going to head up into the loft areas. So being a double loft, you're going to get both beds again. Smaller bed for someone smaller, toddler, and then a regular bed for, you know, teenagers or even adults if you wanted to. This side is a little bit lower than the opposite side. This has a little bit more room in it. You do have closets on this side wall here. And every one of these bunk areas has USB charging ports on either side of the beds. Makes it easier for the electronic devices. I'm going to go down to the queen bedroom. Brand new cabinets this year. They lightened up the cabinets a bit. Nice mattress. You got plenty of storage. And this side they put bigger drawers and a taller dresser. And you can still fit 42 to a 50-inch television in here. 50 foot, yeah, okay. So I'm going to walk through one more time. And the bedrooms and the lofts are very consistent with what they do, but this whole front end is phenomenal. We really like it. The only thing you're giving up is a slider door, because you do have a lot of extra slides on this. But definitely really cool layout. You know, you can always put an attic room on one of these and have more space. Well, this is Joe from Cold Springs RV. We do have this in stock. We sell out of these pretty quickly this time of year for some reason. So give me a call, give Joe or Tom a call at Cold Springs RV, or go on our website, www.coldspringsrv.com.